Hello everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can install WordPress on your Bluehost hosting. And before that, if you like this content, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then consider subscribing for more upcoming videos like this. So let's start the video. So I have already logged into my Bluehost dashboard, and as you can see, there is already a website installed on this Bluehost hosting. So let me just click on the domain first. And as you can see, there is a primary domain and there is a add-on domain. So primary domain basically the domain that you purchase from your Bluehost hosting. So this is the free domain name that comes with Bluehost, and this is the domain name that is hosted on GoDaddy. So you have to connect that domain name to Bluehost. So for this you have to go to this option assign. So click on it, and then you have to type the domain name here and click on validate. After that it will validate the domain and ask you some questions. So let me just enter a domain name like this, and it will verify the domain, and it is saying it is already available. So let me just change the domain name. Okay, after entering the domain name, you have to change the name server. So just copy this name server and open the DNS panel of your domain provider and add the name server, and it will take some time to change the name server, and after that your domain will be added to your Bluehost account. So I have already added the domain in my Bluehost dashboard, and I have added it as a add-on domain. So let's check how you can install WordPress on Bluehost. So for this I will click on my site option, and here I will click on add site, and in this case I will click on create new site. Now I will select the first option WordPress, and then I will type a simple name. So in this case I will type any simple name like WordPress, and here you can add a site tagline. So I will type like a WordPress website. So this website is for a demo purpose, so I will setting up a generic name. So I will add an email address. So let me just add this email address, and I will add a username. So in this case I will add this username, and I will set a password. So let me just click a password. Now click on next. Now it will ask you to select the domain. So in this case I will choose this domain, omenfashional.com. Now you can add a directory or you can leave this as it is. Now it will ask you to select the plugin. So in this case I don't use this plugin, so I will uncheck it, and here you make sure to select the right domain name here. Now click on next. So it will take some time and install the WordPress on this domain. So let's wait. Okay, now WordPress is installed successfully on this domain, and here as you can see, this is the website and this is the admin panel. So let me just copy this admin panel here, and let's open this in a new tab. So I will click on login with username and password, and let's copy this username, and let's copy the password. Now click on login, and as you can see we have installed the WordPress on Bluehost hosting, and by default Bluehost added some unnecessary plugins to your directory, so you can uninstall this. So I will click on this option, and I will delete all the pre-existing plugins that I don't need. So let me just click on never, and I will click on deactivate. Now click on apply. Okay, Now all the plugin is deactivated. Let me just select it all and let me just delete it from here. Now click on apply. Okay, now our WordPress website is installed fresh and the website is clean now. Let me just visit this website. And as you can see, the fresh WordPress website is installed on our Bluehost hosting. So in this way you can install WordPress in Bluehost easily. So let me just click on go back to my sites. And here as you can see, there is two websites now. So this is the first website that is already installed, and this is the second website that we have recently installed on Bluehost hosting. I hope you got the idea how to install WordPress in Bluehost hosting, and if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And do like this video if this video is helpful for you, and if you are new to this channel, then consider subscribing for more upcoming videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.